Welcome. Hope you have fun.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Bhavik. This is episode 4 of the SQL series. And last time, I know we found like a small error on episode 3, as you can see over here. It did not rounded the values. So if you can see here clearly, so it rounded these values up, and we do not want that. So let's go ahead and open my SQL workbench. My computer's just a bit. There we go. There we go. Okay, so. And I also added a bit of data to. And you'll realize I already fixed this. But if you haven't, I'll show you how to fix it. So, the problem is that they are. As you can see, well, let me copy and paste this in a notepad. There we go. It's already pasted. I didn't even know that. Okay. So, we have this and we want to replace it with we want to find because that's the values and replace it with what we want is 10 comma 2. Okay. Okay, well, whatever this is. Okay, there we go. So I took a while replacing this stuff, but this is what we actually need. And to change these, you just don't have to delete the whole table. You could just use the alter table, alter statement. Alter statement's not easy, but I bet you guys catch it up. So, alter table, the tutorial, because that's the name of my table, modify, column, and then you could can you list multiple? Oh, this is my first time trying this. I'm trying multiple, but this is my first time trying this. 10. Oh no, this doesn't work. So you can only list one at a time. So let's do this one first. And then it gives me a warning because it's already because it's already um first first notepad. There. So since I already replaced this, oh, I did it 25. Yeah, I could just replace it. And then 2 this. So what this basically means is that you can have 25 characters. Let's say let's just pretend the number 25 here is 25 characters. Then we could, and then what we're gonna have is 25 characters, then 2 decimals. So 60. Just 2 random characters. It can't be letters. Has to be numbers. So 2 numbers, 2 decimal places. And then 25 normal places. And then I accidentally ran 10 comma 0 on the, now it's back. Now let's also update our bus fee. Now I only want it to be 10 characters and 2 decimals because I don't want it to be very chaotic. So I don't want them paying like 1,500,000, a million. I don't know. Just making up numbers, guys. Don't judge me, okay? But yeah. And then something should go wrong right now because first I ran 10 comma 0, so we'll see what happens. Oh my god, bro, this is so laggy. There we go. And yeah, something's wrong. Bus fee is fine. It's the school fee that's gone wrong. Okay, well, I guess. Okay. I guess we had to truncate this stuff. And this is also one I want to show you guys right now. Just a very short statement. Takes like 5 seconds to learn. Let's see. Okay, we still have a few minutes. Truncate tutorial. And so what this does is it removes all the data. So select. Yep, there we go. I'm done. Yep, so what that does is uh it, it removes all the data. And here you could also, what if you want, you can make this column shorter and bigger. If you want. Not saying you have to. And then yeah. And then you could turn this to read only mode by, I don't know. I'll teach you guys later. For now, uh we and yeah, we fixed the error, we did stuff, we learned stuff. Okay, now let's learn about this select statement. Like select if you want to show like specific columns, like only only the school fee and the bus fee. School fee, and then type in bus fee. So that's how you can show specific columns, but you still need the from clause. There we go. Now there's also this where you can do this. So school fee plus. So I want the total price they had to pay per year. So school fee plus bus fee. And then you type in as, and then you write what you want to display as. I want to say pay yearly. Okay, well, I'm gonna look this up, but I'm gonna fix this error sometime. Guys, I'm never gonna not fix an error. So I am gonna fix this error, just give me time. Oh, so I figured it out. It was because I forgot a comma over here, this comma. So now if you run it, yep, there we go. Just because we don't have anything, that's why it's not showing anything. But trust me guys, I'll add some stuff. But yeah, so that's it for today. But I will make an episode. But until next time, peace out, guys.
All links in the description. Shout out to Programming with Mosh.